Hello there. Putting together a brute toolbox in the bottom of my truck, and this part was super confusing, so I thought I would help you out. This is the part that you tap into your truck. So I got this, put it in the slot. This is the bracket that holds it down. Got a magic marker, drew a circle there. I got my black line down there. I looked underneath to make sure I'm not going through the gas line. And then you just drill away. Don't push too hard, I tend to do that. Okay, and then you get this bad boy and you smack it in there. So I can use the back of my drill. Sure, that's good for my drill. Now this is a little tool they don't tell you about. They just say it's there, and this will make that sucker attached to your truck bed. So am I straight here? I want to get the whole thing there. There we go. So what's crazy about this, you got to put this on the top here, this on the bottom, and that explodes the flange on the bottom of your truck, so it's secure. So get that in there tight, and make sure you're going the right way here. And I want to go right like that. Is that better? Okay, so this tool is blowing up the flange on the bottom of that. So I should have screwed it in all the way first. You can't see that. So now that it's tight, then I put this on here. And then tighten this. This isn't the easy part. Right there. It's really tough in the beginning till you bend the metal. As you can see, that part's fine in the beginning. There's not a lot of room here between my wheel well and this, but that's my better grip, so I'm going with it. Once you bend it, then it's kind of easy. So the first 10 times. Okay, now it's starting to get easier. See, now it's easier. Just gotta stick with it. But you gotta hold this. This is called a tool. And it expands the anchor to tighten against the bottom of your truck bed. Once you feel like it's done, it's tight, and then you can tell it's tight because it's not moving when you back this out. Okay, it needs to be a little tighter. Okay, now I can feel it tight, so now I'm going to go the other way with it. And then it comes right out. So that comes right out. And this middle part's just a tool to expand the anchor right there. So now the anchor's in there real good. I mean, real good. So now put this piece right in like that. Get your washer, you know, your lock washer on top. That, and then you screw it right in there, and that anchors your. You don't want to over tighten this, so hand tighten it first. Get it in there as far as you can. That's going nowhere. That's holding the truck bed down, or not the truck bed, the toolbox. So I want to show you the toolbox. Oh, that's me. I don't want to show you that. There's right there. Right there, and look, now it works perfectly. Look at that. Amen. That's how you do it.